guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how I found the perfect blend of style and functionality with these shoes. My husband has been loving these men's casual dress sneakers by LEZTA. These are so comfortable. Not only are they comfortable, but they look beautiful either when you are wearing a suit, some dress pants, or jeans. I love these for many reasons. First of all, you're gonna see that the material is breathable. You're gonna notice that the insoles provide this arch support, which makes it super comfortable for you to be on your feet or walking all day. Not only that, but it has a beautiful soft outsole as well. So if you're looking for the perfect shoe to bring to school or work, definitely check these out by LEZTA. I love how LEZTA has a variety of beautiful shoes. They are not expensive at all. They're super affordable. They are quality, as you can see, and they are comfortable. So no need to sacrifice style over comfort when you can get both of them, comfort and style in the same shoe. And that is our point of view.